Quick help on part 5 on lesson 13. The gears are back. If you click the run button, I've got it kind of small over here on the left hand side, but if you hold the space bar, the gears will rotate. If you let go of the space bar, they do not rotate. The instructions say, okay, let's make it so that if you're holding the space bar, they do what they're doing right now. They rotate like normal. But if you let go of the space bar, let's make them spin in the opposite direction. Well, the whole key to this, and don't overcomplicate it. This one doesn't need to be overcomplicated. In the code, there's an if block that has checking to see if the space bar is down, and it makes the gears rotate. Click the plus sign to open up your else condition down there. Take all of this code where you see the gear rotations that are making them spin, copy that code, get your cursor down there into the else block. I always look for that little black cursor thing, and I want to get it right below the word else, and then paste that in. Now, we've got to reverse directions. If you hold the space bar, they're going one direction, and the idea is if you let go of the space bar, make them go the opposite direction. So really all we have to do is take these numbers in there and make them the opposite of what they were. And this first one's going to look weird because it says minus in there, but I'm just going to say minus a negative 1. I'm just reversing the sign of the numbers. All right, it's adding a 1, so I'm going to say add a negative 1. I'm just taking the numbers and reversing their sign. Right? If it's a positive number, make it a negative number. If it's a negative number, make it a positive number. So that makes it so that if the space bar is pressed, the gears should go one way, and if the space bar is not pressed, it should go the other. Let's check it out. I'm going to hit reset. I'm going to hit run. I'm going to hold the space bar, and they go one direction. And if I let go of the space bar, they go the other direction, and that is perfect. That's exactly what we want on this part 5. Hold the space bar, and the gears go in one direction. Let go of the space bar, and they go in the other direction. That is part 5.